This is the Moto G35, will be available on Flipkart starting 16th December. As somebody who has tested a lot of sub 10k phones, the best part according to me is the software experience. This is Hello UI. I would say slightly toned down version of Hello UI, but it can be cleaned up in seconds. I am saying it can be cleaned up in seconds because there were 4 applications, 4 pre-installed applications: Facebook, LinkedIn, Kotak Mahindra, and 6 games. Candy Crush type games, and yeah, of course Candy Crush was also there. And as you can see, I've set up the phone. It took me around 2 minutes to clean up the phone. No ads, no bloatwares, very clean, simple operating system. For 10k, this is what you need. And anyways, just because Antutu opened up, let me show you the Antutu score. On par with Snapdragon 6s Gen 3, Unisoc T760.